Hey, good morning, y'all. Major, Gibson, and Berkeley and I are out for a walk. Just to give you an idea, it's going to probably have some wind noise because we got pretty gusty winds today. It's supposed to gust from 20 to 30 miles per hour, and not bad weather. I actually have a light shirt on over my t-shirt because it's with the wind it feels a lot cooler. It's 57 degrees right now. High is going to be 63. So a whole bunch of difference between that and the other days when it was up in the 90s. What? I lost my boy. He stalled out. Here he comes. He stalled. Berkeley. We're not going to go too far today. But I find it interesting that living out with weather and nature intimately, it's pretty cool. I like it. I don't know if I mentioned or even made note of it, but you see all along the roadway edge, there's a line of stone, and it's that way on both sides, where they've put big rocks over onto the road edge there, formed a little, like, I don't know, little barrier. Oh, just a little wall. This is probably, he's only trying to do a video in this wind. But oh, he's chasing something there. Oh, it's just a leaf. What do you say, guys? Hi. I don't want to leave Berkeley halfway. We'll just go a little bit down here and then turn around. We're on Signal Road, headed inbound towards the mountains. He's coming. He's taking his time, but he's coming with us. He's headed back this way. Whoa. So, yeah, we're just having a nice day here. Getting a little wind blown, but it doesn't feel bad. Oh, excuse me. Allergies are still in full kick mode here. Full blown mode with all the pollen. Oh, the burros came by yesterday right around dinner time. I think they time it that way, see if they can get anything. People probably have fed them, I imagine. And the black one, there's the one pair that usually comes by, one's black, one's brown, and I saw Major, they were over on the driver's side of the van. Hi buddy, you made it back with us. And Major went, I saw he was going around the back of the van. I thought he was just looking at them. Well, he must have got too close, because all of a sudden he comes flying around and the black burro is chasing him. And I mean, and they come, the burros are like, got right almost under the shade tarp. It was coming right at him. So I intervened and chased the burro off. But wow, they don't have any fear for sure. All right, we'll head back. Just a little walking, talking. What's that there? That is a can. A piece of a can. Yeah, it's an old piece of a smushed up can. We'll take it with us. Try to get it in my fingers there. Hopefully it's not in camera. Hey, Berkeley, quit eating. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright, well, not a whole lot else going on. I see another can. Did I say there wasn't much trash? There isn't actually much trash. For some reason, I'm just seeing these today where I didn't see them the other day. But it's been there for a while. Okay. Hi. Hey guys. Hi. Alright. Well, you guys take care. Have a great day. We just wanted to shout out to y'all, say hey. Thanks again, Brian, for the help with the computer. That's really helped me out. Hi, you're right behind me. Okay. Alright, so from Gibson, Major, Berkeley, and myself, and of course Beethoven, he's hanging out back at the van. Let's sit the coffee down for a sec. Take good care, and we will talk to you later.